How much does Pallyy cost? This is Matt and this will be a video on Pallyy pricing. So I'm right here on the main pricing page, as you can see at the top here on the Pallyy website. Now you can see these pricing plans. We've got quite a few different plans and options here, so it's a little bit complicated, so I'm going to go through it all in detail in this video. But first things first, if you want a free trial of Pallyy, you can click the affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link, you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Pallyy change their pages over time. Now they are running a free trial. You can select any of these options depending on which plan you want to go for. But importantly, once you actually do click this for the free trial, as you can see, there's no credit card required and you can cancel at any time. Now, they don't say how long the free trial is currently. Sometimes it's 7 days, 14 days. I think it's been 30 days before. It depends on when you actually watch this video. But the important thing is there's no credit card, not going to take any kind of credit card or billing information from you. So it's a risk-free trial. You can check out the platform, see if it is for you. You don't know until you try. Maybe it isn't. You can stick around on just one of the free plans, which as you can see, they have right here. You get everything in Pallyy, but there's just some restrictions. Or you can stick around on one of these paid plans, which I'll go through now. So left to right, you've got starter right here at $15 per month. We have pro at $25 per month, $99 per month for agency, and scale, which they describe as for large teams and organizations with higher usage. That's at $199 per month. So importantly, that is the monthly pricing. If I flick on over here, this toggle, you can save 25% with the annual plans. So I flick that over, and you can see everything suddenly gets a lot cheaper. So if I go back to the monthly, the thing with the monthly pricing is you'll pay month to month. You're not locked in, whereas with annual you are paying up front. But you get that huge saving. You're saving $140 with this plan, and then you might save up to nearly $2,000 with this plan right here by going with the yearly pricing. So highly advised you to get that yearly pricing if that is for you. So as far as what you get in these pricing plans, it's all about the social set and the number of posts per month. So with the starter, the $12 one, you are getting 20 posts. It keeps on popping up. You get 20 posts per month. With all of the others, you're getting unlimited posts with pro, agency, and scale. The difference between these ones is that you're getting more social sets. So as you see here, a social set is described as a set of social accounts connected to an individual brand or business. This plan includes up to 11 accounts per set, one from each supported platform. So you see here, they've got 10 here and they've got 30 with this one. So that is the main kind of differentiator. You also have more users. You've got 1 user with the starter and pro, 3 with the agency, and 10 with scale. So depending on if you're a larger agency or a company, maybe you're an entrepreneur with a number of different brands, these might be the right options for you. But you can just start out on starter or pro, or even free. That's absolutely cool as well. As we scroll down, you've got the comparison pages right here. Always good on these pricing pages to be able to see all of the different plans here, in this case free, starter, pro, agency, and scale. You can see what you do get and in some cases what you don't get, and it's always good to see this side-by-side comparison. There's a lot going on here, guys. So you can scroll all the way down here. There's a ton of information, more information at the bottom, frequently asked questions if you're interested in getting some more information. But I highly advise you to click my link, get that free trial, see if Pallyy is the right tool for you. See if it's the right platform. If it is, you can stick around, get one of these pricing plans. If it isn't, that's cool too. You can cancel your account at any time. You don't have to enter any payment information for that free trial, and you can just stick around on a free plan if it's not for you. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.